Hi there. My name is Kike B, and I just want to tell you about this amazing retirement workshop that I attended over the last weekend. It was organized by the retirement queen herself, Mrs. Bibi. It was so thorough, so enlightening, educational, full of strategies, tips on how to move my business forward or create one for my golden years. You may be wondering if it's just for people who are at that age of retiring. No. If you are working and you know that at some point in your life you will retire, you need this course. You need to plan ahead. You need to be strategic. Don't let the retirement years meet you by surprise. Come equipped to provide for your future, and you will thank me later. It's one of the best I've ever attended. Words fail me. It was mind blowing. Get on board today. If you see any advertisements about this course, register. You will thank me later. See you. Bye.